Ever wondered how to meditate easily? It's an intriguing art, one that can bring calmness and clarity to our lives. So how about we delve into this world? We're on a mission to share 5 easy methods to meditate. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of easy meditation. Before we dive into the methods, grasp what meditation truly is. Meditation, in its simplest form, is a practice that allows your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's not about becoming a different person or even a better person. It's about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. It's not about trying to turn off your thoughts or feelings. You're learning to observe them without judgment, and eventually, you may start to better understand them as well. Contrary to common misconceptions, meditation is not about achieving a blank mind or summoning supernatural powers. It's a journey of self-discovery, self-acceptance, and inner peace. In today's fast-paced, stress-filled world, meditation serves as an oasis of calm, helping us navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and resilience. Now that we understand what meditation is, let's delve into the easy ways to do it. Method 1. Mindful breathing, the simplest form of meditation. This technique is all about focusing on your breath. Just sit comfortably, shut your eyes, and pay attention to your breathing. Don't try to control it, just let it be. Feel the air coming in and going out. Your mind may wander, and that's okay. When it does, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Now let's move on to the second method, body scan meditation. This involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe, observing sensations without judgment. Start from the top of your head and slowly work your way down, paying attention to each part of your body. Notice the feelings, the tension, the relaxation. Both these techniques are about awareness, about being in the now. They don't require any special equipment or location, just your attention. These 2 methods focus on your breath and body, helping you stay present. Method 3. Walking meditation, a moving meditation practice. This method transforms a simple act of walking into a peaceful mindfulness exercise. The idea is to focus on the sensation of each step, feeling the ground beneath your feet, maintaining a steady pace, and syncing your breath with your steps. This helps to ground you in the present moment and clears your mind of cluttered thoughts. Now let's transition to our 4th method, loving kindness meditation. This practice is all about fostering compassion and love towards yourself and others. It begins with cultivating feelings of warmth and care for your own well-being, gradually extending this loving energy outwards to loved ones, acquaintances, strangers, and eventually the entire universe. These methods of walking meditation and loving kindness meditation offer unique approaches to mindfulness. They help you incorporate meditation into your daily activities and spread positivity, creating a more harmonious inner and outer world. Method 5. Guided visualization, a journey within your mind. Now, this method allows you to engage your imagination, to take you on a journey, a voyage within your own mind. Imagine yourself in a tranquil forest, or imagine the waves of an ocean washing over you. The beauty of guided visualization is its flexibility. You have the freedom to venture anywhere your mind desires, creating your own peaceful sanctuary. This method has a unique edge. It's not just about relaxation, but also about fostering creativity. As you visualize these serene scenes, your mind opens up, allowing fresh, innovative ideas to flow in. It's akin to a mental detox that cleanses your mind of clutter, leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. Now let's take a moment to recap the 5 methods of meditation we've journeyed through. We started with focused meditation, teaching you to harness your attention. Then we moved to mindfulness, where you learn to live in the present. Afterward, we explored mantra meditation, using repetitive sounds to dive deeper into consciousness. Our 4th method, movement meditation, showed you how physical activity can be a form of meditation. And finally, we delved into the beautiful world of guided visualization. Each of these methods offers unique benefits and caters to different needs. Whether you're seeking relaxation, increased focus, or a burst of creativity, there's a method for you. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in meditation. Feel free to experiment and find the method that resonates with you the most. Remember, the key to successful meditation lies in consistency. Start small, but start today. You are one meditation away from a good mood.